Hello everyone, this is FMUSER. The question this video answers is, why does your hotel IPTV keep lagging? Hotel TVs freezing, buffering endlessly, or crashing is a nightmare for guests and a huge headache for hotel management. But TV lag isn't magic or bad luck. It's a systemic issue. Today, we're going to break down the real reasons behind the lag from top to bottom using simple, everyday examples. Here are the 7 hidden culprits causing your hotel TVs to freeze. 1. Inadequate external bandwidth ISP fluctuations. Think of your hotel's internet like a giant main water pipe. If your hotel TV system relies completely on fetching video streams from the outside in turn, e.t., what happens at 8 p.m. when hundreds of guests are suddenly watching YouTube and making video calls? The water pressure drops massively. Your TV is only getting a tiny trickle of data, so it has to pause and spin the buffering wheel until it collects enough water to show you the next second of video. 2. LAN architecture multicast storms. Many hotels use their internal network to deliver TV channels to save internet data. Imagine your network switches as delivery dispatchers. When a guest switches to channel 5, the dispatcher should send that specific video package only to that room. However, if the network isn't set up correctly specifically, missing a feature called IGMP snooping, the dispatcher panics. It blindly delivers the channel 5 package to every single room in the hotel. This causes a massive traffic jam in the hallways, freezing all TVs at once and even crashing the hotel Wi-Fi. 3. Hardware performance bottlenecks. This happens when the equipment is just too old or weak to do the math. On the guest's end, the small TV box is essentially a mini computer. If the hotel hasn't upgraded it in 5 years, asking it to play a modern 4K high-definition video is like asking a 10-year-old smartphone to run the newest, heaviest 3D video game. It simply doesn't have the brain power, causing the screen to freeze or the audio to get out of sync. Also, if the main server in the equipment room is weak, it gets overwhelmed during peak hours and sends out choppy video right from the source. 4. Poor signal source encoding mismatch. Sometimes, the problem comes from the very top. If your hotel uses a satellite dish on the roof to get channels, a heavy rainstorm can scramble the signal before it even gets inside the building. Furthermore, if the head-end equipment forces an ultra-high-definition video package that is just too large or uses a format the older TV boxes don't understand, it's like trying to force a giant sofa through a tiny door. It gets stuck and the TV lags. 5. System software bugs, memory leaks. Even with great hardware, bad software is a silent killer. Think of the TV box's memory like a trash can. A poorly coded, cheap custom IPTV app will slowly leak digital garbage into the can while it runs. After a few days of the guest leaving the TV on, the trash can completely overflows and the box freezes. This is exactly why simply unplugging the TV box from the power and plugging it back, in which empties the trash, magically fixes the lag for a while. 6. Physical layer damage, poor wiring. You can have the best servers in the world, but if the final pipe is leaking, you still lose. Aging network cables buried inside the hotel walls, rusty crystal plug connectors, or cables chewed up by mice act exactly like a leaky garden hose. The video data drops out along the way, which shows up on your TV screen as ugly pixelated blocks or mosaic digital glitches. 7. Wireless network interference. To save money on wiring, some modern hotels connect their TV boxes directly to the Wi-Fi. This is a recipe for disaster. Live TV requires a heavy, continuous stream of data. Fighting through thick concrete hotel walls, heavy fireproof doors, and competing with dozens of other routers screaming over each other makes the wireless connection incredibly unstable. The TV box simply can't hear the video stream clearly, resulting in severe lag. Finally, let's summarize. Hotel IPTV lag is essentially a breakdown in one of three areas: the network, the hardware, or the wiring. It could be a choked internet pipe, a congested internal network, an exhausted server, an outdated TV box, a leaky cable, or terrible Wi-Fi interference. Troubleshooting requires a comprehensive, end-to-end check. To solve this problem once and for all, you need a commercial-grade IPTV system that has passed rigorous stress tests from the head-end server all the way to the terminal set-top box. Thank you for watching this video. If you're a system integrator or hotel manager looking for a highly stable, smooth, and cost-effective IPTV solution, feel free to leave a comment or contact us directly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more hardcore tech guides on hotel systems. See you next time.